What is the concept of step up SIP? How does step up SIP make a difference in your SIP journey? We have our investment expert Usha Nair with us. Usha, could you please help us understand the importance of step up SIP?
If I do a monthly income or a savings of 5,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees, can I say that my monthly saving will also be only 7,000 rupees 10 years from today? So if someone is doing a 10,000 rupee SIP or a 20,000 rupee SIP, and I gave you a lot of examples, the funds that grow at 17%, 18%, etc. The valuation of that is about 5 crore. So let me just give you a perspective. Don't get carried away by these numbers. Okay. Oh, did somebody do it for 25 years? Do I have 20 years to do? I'm 50. Will I do till 70? Don't just think of any of these things, because often no people pay attention to those aspects which are not very relevant. Whether you are doing from today for the next 5 years or 10 years, whether you are advising your child, whether you have started investing only 10 years back, none of this matters. My concept is, it is like saying that it is not about which form of exercise you do, but please do exercise. Whether you're walking, you're running, you're gymming, you're doing some Zumba, or you're a dancer, you're an athlete, doesn't matter. As long as you're doing something which keeps your body fit, that is good enough. So is running better, is swimming better? We are not going down that path. So don't get carried away by 5 crore or 4 crore or 50 lakh or all of that. That is insignificant. The concept is very significant. To explain the concept, usually numbers speak. They say, right, figures will tell you, it strikes you a little more harder, and hence we use figures so that my communication with you, my conceptual explanation is very strong and it leaves a memory with you. That is why I'm doing this. So someone who has done a 10,000 rupee SIP in the last 15 or 20 years has made a corpus of 5 crore in one of DSP's funds, which is DSP Flexi Cap, and it's generated a return of 1,000. Now the question to come is, can you only do 10,000 rupees if you started with 10,000 rupees of investment 3 years back on a monthly basis? Can you not increase it? Why do double deckers exist? But it still maintains the balance, but it can ferry more passengers. So therefore, in the same, when you build a home, when you build a 2-storied home, if you have more money, that's when you build a 2-storied home. But by doing a foundation, which is good for 2 or 5 stories, you are able to, so 1,000 square feet ground, I can create it into a 2,000 square feet home because I'm layering one above the other. Why do this multi-storied structures come up, right? Because technology improved. Today, you are able to do multi-story, 90-floor buildings, 50-floor buildings, skyscrapers you are able to do because your foundation is strong, and then you are layering it up so that you can have more people, economies of scale will come, you can share the expenses of maintaining the society, so on and so forth. Similarly, we are talking about double decking your investment, which means do a 10,000 rupee investment, do a 20,000 rupee investment. Ensure that you're adding a small amount to that in the next year. In the 13th month, top it up a little by 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. The journey, the difference between the two is nearly 2 crores on a small investment, because today 10,000 rupees is not a big investment. 20 years back, if I was doing this presentation, I would have said 1,000 rupees per month. But today, don't even go down the path of 1,000 and 2,000. Nothing gets created by investing 2,000 and 5,000 rupees a month. We all need to invest a sizable money because that's a need and the lifestyle that we all follow. Hence, a 5 crore becomes 7.27 crore, and that is extremely useful.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.